Hey, good evening, everybody. This is Zor over near Surprise, Arizona. Beautiful Saturday evening on May 30th. Getting close to June. I'm going to give you a little rundown of what's happening out here in the cat box. We've got some American gangsters right here that are miniature. They're about 90-some days old. They were transplanted weird. They're autos. This is Fox Farm soil with addition of cat urine. Yeah, it's what it is. But look at this. Yeah, interesting, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. Answer my own question. Holy shit. Let's go look at the plants in the 5-gallon. Hey, on the way over here, hey, check those out. Tomatoes right out of the pavers, whatever the hell you call those things. Stones. Here's some more. All right, and over here, this pile is where my outdoor 5-gallon plants are going. Now look at here. Crazy black girl. All these are 1, 2, 3 fat buds. Rick, Virginia. There's a blue dream. That's probably a foot tall, my guess. And then right here we have a Caribbean dream. We're getting some stretch. I hope we're going to get some side branching instead of a totem pole. They're not looking like that right now though. And we got another Caribbean dream. These were planted on May 2nd, and I believe they sprouted on like the 4th or the 5th. So I'm calling this from the day it sprouted. This is day 6 of week 4. Day 7 always falls on a Sunday, just like that. So Monday will be day 1 of week 5. Now, I'm not sure which one I'm going to take out and what I'm going to do with these. I was going to do a little bit of LST, but nah, that's just way too risky with these. So we're just going to let them grow, see how they do. Now, it's 103 today, 104 I think. It's cloudy, it's overcast. It was 105 yesterday, so we're going to have a hot summer out here. I know I planted these late. There's no doubt about that. Last summer I grew some right up to 118 degrees around the 4th of July, and I planted them way earlier than this. But hey, getting a little breeze here. Take another look at them. And there you go. Hey, we'll see you later. Have a great evening.